आईटीसी, गॉडफ्री फिलिप्स और वीएसटी इंडस्ट्रीज इंडिया के टोबैको मेजर्स 2026 की शुरुआत एक शार्प सेल ऑफ से करते हैं और रीजन सिर्फ एक था, न्यू ईयर्स ईव पर आया हुआ एक पॉलिसी डिसीजन। अब नेचुरली इन्वेस्टर्स और ट्रेडर्स के दिमाग में एक ही सवाल है, इज दिस टाइम टू बाय द टिप या फिर ये एग्जिट लेने के लिए राइट टाइम है। बट बिफोर यू टेक एनी डिसीजन इन हेस्ट, दिस ब्रेकडाउन इज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज इस वीडियो में हम ये समझेंगे इंडिया की टोबैको इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली कैसे पैसे बनाती है और क्या ये सेल ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म में ट्रूली मैटर करता है या नहीं। वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट्स डिकोडेड। आई एम कनिष्का गुप्ता and in this series we pick one market story and decode it beyond the headlines. What exactly happened, why the market reacted so sharply, and what really matters for traders and investors from here. To put the move in perspective, ITC reported its biggest intraday fall since 2020 and the damage wasn't small. 50,000 crore rupees plus in market capitalization wiped out. This is the same stock that delivered a massive multi-year rally, paid consistent dividends and was seen as one of the most defensive businesses in Indian markets. But why did this happen? New Year से just पहले फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री ने एक नोटिफिकेशन ड्रॉप किया।
Cigarettes, National Calamity Contingent Duty on specified cigarettes was last revised 3 years ago. This is proposed to be revised upwards by about 16%.
And that changed the entire narrative. From 1st of February, a new excise duty will be imposed on cigarettes. 2,050 rupees to 8,500 rupees per 1,000 sticks, depending on cigarette length. Important part ये है, this is over and above the 40% GST. Brokerages like Jefferies and Nuvama के estimate हैं, to protect margins, companies like ITC and Godfrey Philips India may need to raise prices by at least 15 to 35%. और जब cigarette prices इतनी sharply बढ़ते हैं, historically दो चीजें होती है। Number 1, consumers downgrade to cheaper sticks, या फिर Number 2, smuggled market की तरफ shift करते हैं। Both hurt volumes. यहाँ पर एक और बात है जो मार्केट को ज्यादा नर्वस कर रही है। The World Health Organization और WHO recommends that tobacco taxes should be at least 75% of retail price to curb consumption. और इंडिया में even after this hike, total tax burden is still roughly 50 to 60%, which means there is still a 15% tax headroom left. Investor fear यही है. What if this is not a one-time shock? What if tobacco taxation becomes a recurring policy tool? That uncertainty is what markets hate the most. But globally, tobacco companies have already gone through this phase. Players like British American Tobacco and Philip Morris International shifted long back from a volume game to a value game. Meaning, cigarettes become premium या luxury products. Prices go up aggressively, volumes decline, but margins remain strong and companies diversify into reduced risk products. India के tobacco sector, especially ITC, is now entering this global mature market phase. Growth अब new smokers से नहीं, pricing power plus efficiency से आएगा. If you have tracked ITC long enough, the story feels familiar. Pattern almost predictable है. Taxes बढ़ते हैं, stock crashes. Then what happens? Prices are hiked, volumes take a hit for 2 to 3 quarters, demand remains largely inelastic. Cash flows recover and the cycle repeats. Important insight ये है, the last few years of tax stability were the exception, not the rule. We are simply going back to the historical normal. So what should you do now? See, long term में sentiment is clearly broken. Brokerages have already cut targets to the 350 to 380 rupees range. March and June quarters will be crucial to assess actual volume impact. If you're looking for quick upside, volatility isn't done yet. Long term में, this is where the story gets nuanced. Today, ITC is not just a cigarette company. Its FMCG and paper boats businesses provide a much stronger cushion than they did 5 years ago. Yes, over 40% of revenue still comes from cigarettes. And yes, the road to a 75% tax would be bumpy. But this is also a company that generates massive cash flows, pays steady dividends, and has survived far worse regulatory shocks in the past. So for long-term investors, this could turn out to be another classic ITC moment. Uncomfortable in the short run, but resilient over the cycle. If this breakdown helped you see beyond the headlines, share this video with your circle and subscribe to FIRES. And I will see you next week with another big story. I'm Kanishka Gupta and this is Markets Decoded by FIRES.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.